The decision feels impossible. So we wait. We tell ourselves more time will create more clarity, less risk, better options. But delay is not neutral. While we hesitate, possibilities quietly disappear. The cost remains invisible until the moment the window closes. This is the structural failure of indecision. The fear of choosing now becomes the reason better futures vanish later. The pattern survives because comfort feels safe. The present moment is familiar, predictable, low friction. So the mind mistakes emotional comfort for actual stability. We wait for certainty, perfect timing, perfect information, but certainty delays movement indefinitely. The deeper problem is psychological. We fear the regret of making the wrong choice, so we ignore the guaranteed cost of choosing too late. That is how erosion disguises itself as patience. This is where most people freeze. But at Solver's Studio, we go to our toolkit, the Solver's 6. The discipline here is contrast analysis decision. This tool forces both futures into view at the same time, action and inaction. It removes the illusion that delay is a neutral pause. Contrast analysis turns indecision into a measurable cost. The goal is not emotional reassurance. The goal is structural clarity. First, define future A, the cost of choosing now. This includes immediate friction, stress, risk, discomfort, temporary instability, but these costs are contained, visible, finite, measurable. We formally define the upfront price of action. Next, define future B, the cost of delay. This cost expands silently over time, lost opportunities, reduced optionality, accumulating anxiety, shrinking leverage. We calculate what disappears next month, then the month after. The hidden erosion becomes visible. Finally, compare the two futures directly, contained cost versus accumulating cost. The question becomes simple: which path creates the higher long-term penalty? This comparison breaks the illusion of safety. Delay is revealed as an active decision with its own escalating price. Define the future of choosing now. Define the future of delay cost. Compare net cost. That is contrast analysis decision. The framework converts emotional hesitation into structural calculation. Clarity appears when both futures are measured honestly. The same pattern appears in career decisions. Someone delays a necessary move because waiting feels safer. They avoid interviews, applications, uncertainty. That is the contained cost of action. But while they wait, stronger opportunities disappear. The market shifts, roles close, momentum fades. Eventually, they're forced to choose from weaker options. Contrast analysis exposes the truth. The temporary discomfort of acting early is often far cheaper than the long-term cost of waiting. Indecision is rarely the real problem. The real problem is failing to calculate the cost of delay. Comfort is not stability. Waiting is not neutral. Every path carries a price. Clarity begins the moment both prices become visible.